Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how do we get inputs for this strategy or for any strategy that you can use. Basically at the bottom you have to have those three conditions. It has to plot open, close and position if the strategy indicator is indicating long, short or nothing. That's the for smoothed hybrid volume spread analysis. But after we do that, we have to use the fine tune inputs for smoothed hybrid to find the best inputs for our ticker. I believe the defaults are the best for basically every time frame that you can get. Let's go to weekly. Let's go back to daily because Bybit doesn't have a lot of history, but it works as well on normal coins. I guess not, but on pretty much every ticker. It's important for the lower time frames because we will combine those together. You can also check if we are using double smoothed or not. However, as you can see, having default inputs are the best. You can also change smoothed volume length, but here is actually better. But on average 12 is the best. What else? Yes, when you are using single time frame, you enable close all, but when we are pulling data off, we enable it because you don't want to have 0 when the condition is not long, and you use lower time frames or higher time frames to determine if you are still long or short at that time frame. So we will export it. If we want to export the strategy or the indicator, we will go to the indicator ID. We will copy the indicator ID to the wrong one, to the main spec sheet, to loop here, and we will copy the split sheet ID here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. Make sure that you have share with anyone link enabled. After that, you can just run it. It gets data from the trading view for 4-hour time frame, 12 hours, 1 day free loop, and it exports everything here. So it's faster. I will just skip that. These are the inputs. We can copy them to go to the test option and paste them here. As you know from the previous videos, there is one problem. Every indicator that I write, or every indicator in general, are one time frame too soon. They plot one time too soon. Here, the signal gets on close, not on the open. On the 1 day is the same. So let's check it out. You can see the indicator is fucking powerful. That's unreal. You can get that much. The reason is that you have to move down one time frame, one bar for each time frame. You move inputs, paste it here. You move 4 hours down for one time frame. You move 12 hours down for 3 time frames, you move 1 day time frame down for 6 bars or 6 rows, 2 days for 12, and so on and so on. Basically, you copy this spread here. Input. Okay. Let's correct it. Control C. Control V. Go to the output. Let's wait for it to reload. We will copy this part, the first part, with Control Shift W to the second one, and we will copy that to the test. Please. Okay. Of course, here you have to combine different weights. You can basically choose one for every time frame and see what the end profit will be. You have to play around with that to see what's the best indicator or the best weights for our indicator. It's pretty similar for every indicator, but each indicator may have some differences. Let's try to copy this code here. We are backtesting just for one code. However, you can also, for one coin, you can also backtest it for every single coin together. So these weights here are pretty great over every time frame or for all the coins. So if any new coins come up, they may be a bit better. They're really as good as. Okay. If you test it and their weights great over all coins that you test, they will probably great for every coin. So you can see that I didn't test BTC on altcoins. However, it's great anyway. With great drawdown, with great equity curve, everything is great and awesome. After that, you copy those weights to the Visual Studio Code, the bot package, bot, and you paste weights here in this section, like this. The difference between no provisional and provisional is how the signals are read. Provisional weights, you get one signal for one time frame just once. For a 1 day time frame, you get signal just on the open. On provisional signals, if the signal changes in between of the days, if the signal goes in between of the day short and then long, the signal will short for daily, short until it's long again. For provisional, it will stay one the whole time, or vice versa. That's it. Have fun.